All right. Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna rock. What's our theme music today? Our theme music. Let's shuffle this up. Okay. That's how I'm living. All right. We're gonna flesh out this contact section. All right. Now I've already put a strip in here, so that's great. Um, we know what our reference says. It's a kind of a combination of these two. So let's go ahead and start with bringing out the form. Um, it's likely going to be a uh, two columns, and it's going to be page, right? And I should have changed the background, but I didn't. And we'll do that later. Don't worry about the form. Let's add the form. We want to add a form. Where is the form? The contact and form. And this is fun. Getting the forms, it's adding it by default. That's fine. That's great. Now we will have to edit it. I mean, modify the layout. That's fine. That's fine. Pretty much in this situation, we're going to grab these. These are already aligned. So we'll bring them all over. We'll bring this over. We'll bring this over. And that's pretty much it. We'll bring this over so that we're within the the strip itself. We'll take the strip. We'll press it down. Make sure we're getting the whole form. Let's give us a little bit of breathing room, a little padding on that, just for the shits and giggles. All right. And I'll even come in more. Yeah. I don't. The message is fine. That's fine. That button doesn't look right. So we want to flow with those type of buttons. So this button needs to flow like that. I want this to kind of be. We're going to make a thank you page anyway. We'll do that later. We're just going to bring this down, give ourselves a little space. And this button is all I'm really after. I want the button to look like that. I don't want it to look like that. I want it to look like that. Yeah. My text is popping. Yeah. Oh, I like 18. That's good. My corners are too high. Let's go 2. Yeah. There we go. Okay. I'm not mad at that at all. Let's check this title. I don't like that. That's good. This isn't good. Let's center this out. Even though we're going to a thank you page for now, let's just center that out. All right. And that's good. That's fine. All right. So then we're going to change the background, drop that down, form, change the background, bring it down. Now we're flat. Let's go. We want to get, we have some text. We have some text. We have some text. We have some text from contact. We did our little chat GPT piece here. And I like this. Good. That's good. Let's start here. And let's just add it in as threes. As a three and a three in a paragraph. Yep, that's good. We might even put a background because we feel like that. We'll do a large paragraph that looks good. Yep. ChatGPT gave us the goods. We're just copying and pasting over here. We need to check these fonts. I'm cool with Helvetica. I'm cool with that. And I'm cool with that. All right. So let's go. Let's look at that. Honestly, I don't have to do anything else. I don't have to do anything else. I want to add a background. So let's try to handle it, right? I want to add a background. Let's see what that looks like. The smoothest way to do that I'm using Wix as the media. I like this. Yep. Almost. This is where it gets tricky. This is where it gets tricky. That's where it gets tricky. We're trying to change this strip. We're changing the strip, the settings, dropping it down. I'm not mad at it. That looks good. Looks good. Let's call it. Publish that shit and let's go. I might drop it down a little bit more, but that's good. That's good enough. Let's set it. Let's see. I'm gonna publish that. I didn't even. Let's reset this one. That looks good. Let's test the navigation. Navigation's looking good. Navigation's looking good. You know why? Because I'm good. All right, let's move to the next section.